Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by assembling materials and making the first shaping stitches. Use a one sponge or foam core and wrap it with one thin fabric layer. This hides seams and absorbs glue. Thread a needle with a doubled strong thread, tie a secure knot, and make a running stitch around the equator. Once done, pull gently to compress the core. This creates tension and a smooth surface. Make sure to keep stitches evenly spaced so the ball keeps a consistent shape as you build layers. After the initial compression, continue by layering fabric and securing shape. You wrap a second layer at a rotated angle. This cross-grain prevents drift and evens pressure. Once wrapped, apply thin lines of fabric glue between layers. Avoid saturating the foam because it can dissolve some sponge types. Press each section firmly and let partial set before moving on because controlled curing keeps roundness. Make sure to trim excess fabric neatly and reinforce the mains. You complete the ball by trimming, smoothing, and curing the finish. Once stitches and glue are secure, lightly sand any tiny bumps and press the surface to confirm even tension. Then allow the ball to cure 12 to 24 hours so adhesives reach full strength. If you find lumps or imbalance, open a small seam, add a thin scrap layer or filler, and rewrap. This corrects shape without rebuilding. Make sure to store the ball in a cool, dry place. Heat can soften glue and ruin your work.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.